Hello my YouTube fans. So I am here with a new video, and in this video I will be unboxing K9 wireless microphone which I have purchased from Miso. And this is the cheapest wireless microphone I have ever seen, and that's why I plan to purchase it and do a quality check for the same. So let me fast forward the unboxing part to save the time. So here is the branding of K9 wireless microphone on the box, and box is not in good condition, so the packaging is not that good. And here we go, this is the internal view of the box, and there is a small box inside the bigger box. So let's see what is inside it. Okay, so we have a USB cable, and here is a converter. So this adapter allow you to connect with the iPhone which is having lightning port. Now I will take out the wireless receiver, and this wireless receiver can get connected with anything which is having C type of USB port. And this is kind of button, but it's not, it is something which is wrapped with plastic. And let me take out the microphone. So it is having a clip, that's nice. Build quality is not that good. So this USB cable goes here for charging the wireless microphone. I will take it out, and this is something, this is just a shiny surface covered with the plastic. Let me take out everything from the box. So these are the two microphone, receiver, adapter, and the cable. And now time to do the quality check. So I'm using my another mobile phone. I will connect the receiver from this phone and check the audio recording quality for this wireless microphone. I'm checking for the buttons. So this is one button, and on another microphone, so both are identical, no difference. So first of all I will connect this receiver into my phone, and now this receiver is supposed to receive the audio from the two microphones once it is connected to the receiver. I hope the pairing is already hard coded. So I'm turning on the microphone. So I'm not sure if it's turned on or not. Let me check the manual once. So I have checked manual for a while, and this is the vital information what I found. You can pause the video and check for the details. But what I came to know, the LED indicator will glow on the receiver once I will connect it to any device. Oh, something is glowing inside. So it is not aligned with the hole. That's why I was unable to find it. That's the build quality issue. I'm trying to focus the LED towards the camera. Okay, you can see the glowing LED, very small amount of light you might have noticed. So the receiver is on. I am trying to turn on the microphone. Okay, so microphone is also on. You can see the LED glowing in green. It's very small tiny LED on the microphone. And now I am opening the recorder app to record the audio. Okay, here we go. So recording is started. And this is what you might be getting from the camera microphone. Whatever you are listening now is from the camera microphone. Let me skip this part. I want to listen the vocals. So first I will let you listen it from the camera microphone, and then I will play the audio which I have recorded using these microphones. So now listen to the camera's microphone recorded audio. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Right now I am recording from mic A. Right now I am recording from mic B.
Okay, it's done. And now I will play the same audio simultaneously recorded with these microphones so that you can compare both the audio output. And the audio will be played in 3, 2, 1, go.
Right now I am recording from mic A. Right now I am recording from mic B.
I hope you might have noticed the difference, but as per my analysis, this cheap quality microphone is working very good. I mean, it's not that good, but with this price range it completely suppressed the background noise like chirping of bird and some other background noise which I was getting in the camera microphone recorded audio, but this microphone suppressed it very well and it cancelled all those noise. So guys, that is it in this video, and if you found this video helpful, please do like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. So soon I will be doing the tear down for these microphone and the microphone receivers, so stay tuned to my channel to watch the tear down. Till then, keep rocking. See you in the next video. Bye bye.